A long time ago, in the small town of Nazareth, there lived a young woman named Mary. One day, an angel named Gabriel appeared to her and said, "Do not be afraid, Mary. God has chosen you. You will have a special baby, and you will name him Jesus. He will be the Son of God." Mary was surprised, but she trusted God and said, "I am his servant. Let it be as you have said." Mary was engaged to a kind man named Joseph. When he learned about the baby, he was unsure what to do. But an angel appeared to him in a dream and said, "Do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife. Her baby is from God." So Joseph took Mary home and cared for her. Not long after, the ruler of the land ordered everyone to travel to their hometown to be counted. So Mary and Joseph had to travel to Bethlehem. When they arrived, the town was crowded, and there was no room in the inn. A kind innkeeper offered them a place in a stable where animals were kept. That night, in the quiet of the stable, Mary gave birth to baby Jesus. She wrapped him in cloth and laid him in a manger, a feeding trough for animals, because there was no crib. Out in the fields, shepherds were watching their sheep, when suddenly the sky lit up with angels. "Do not be afraid," said one angel. "We bring good news for all people. Today in Bethlehem, the Savior has been born. You will find him lying in a manger." The shepherds hurried to Bethlehem and found Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, just as the angel had said. They were filled with joy and praised God. Far away, wise men saw a bright star in the sky. They knew it was a sign, so they followed the star all the way to Jesus. They brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh, and bowed down to worship him. And so, in a humble stable, the greatest gift the world has ever known was born. Jesus, the Son of God, the Prince of Peace.